people over there. Trying to figure out a way to put this shit up straight. I don't want to fuck it up. Alright, so it's like, you see, but it's like, it's gonna burn the shit.
But you gonna end up fucking some shit up. Regardless.
Nah, that's not valid. That's straight up, man.
Nah, it might work. It might work.
I don't know though. It just be busting. I don't know if I want to hit the window. Cause you see the window right here, the shit busting.
Nah, yeah, but like, I like that shit. Like that shit, bro.
Should I, bro?
Nah, it's like,
Should I just,
yeah.
cause bro, if it gets into the tree, it's over.
niggas, man, that be praising chickens, man. I put this on everything. Those niggas praise chickens. So you're wild.
Nah, man. Nah, that's just too bro, we can't do this one. You gotta wait until shit pop off outside, niggas start fighting, then niggas just hit niggas with run up on niggas like, beat him.
Alright, so we about to try this again. If that shit burns down the house, I don't know, nah. It's like, cause if it hit a tree, it really just might be over.
Nah, because you know what I'm really worried of? I don't want this shit to bust over there and then they bust back. I don't want that to happen.
What do you mean they bust
Bro,
back?
them niggas is crazy.
They got
They're wow. Look what they're playing.
Yo,
Sean
this
Paul, my nigga.
nigga said Sean Paul.
Come on, bro.
His niggas.
Come on.
Yo,
Sean Paul. Like, fuck
yo,
this. Look,
I'm not gonna lie, I just got hit with something wet.
this not 19. Yo. Oh.
Nah, nah. I said like rain, nigga.
Yo.
Nah, you gonna like that shit or not, bro?
I'm skeptical, bro.
Bro, just light it.
I'm skeptical.
Light that shit.
Bro, you see these? These busted in fire, bro. Nah, bro. This burned down, I'm going to jail for life.
Yo, bro, just
Life.
light that shit.
It's so.
Nah, it's not even really that flammable, to be honest. It's not like, cause it's like it goes up
Bro.
for like a quick second.
Bro.
But you seen what happened when we
Bro,
hit it
so
in
I
the
should
street.
just bust it at the floor then.
Bro, bro.
Straight at the floor.
Why?
But you saw this shit was going like this. They was busting in different directions.
So I'm saying, I don't know what to do to be honest. I'm really out of ideas.
Trying to hold it.
What you mean, nigga?
Just go like that.
You hold that shit. Nah. Nigga asked me if I'm trying to hold it.
Just hold it, bro.
And my whole shit blown off.
Come on, bro. It's not gonna burn, bro. Ralphie did it, bro. You saw him, but he busted the thing.
So how about you do it then if it's not
Because
gonna
if I
hurt?
go like this, it's gonna blame on the whole shit. Bro,
You do it,
not the boss. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna shoot it at the crib.
What?
I'm gonna shoot it at the crib.
No, nigga, are you trying to purposely burn down your crib?
I'm gonna shoot it at the crib.
Why? Bro. Bro, yo, he's wildin'. Yo!
Come on.
Yo, he's wildin'.
Oh!
Oh, shit!
Yeah.
That shit. Oh.
Nah, this shit start busting.
Oh. Oh, that shit hit the tree. Oh, that shit hit the red. That's it?
Nah, it's over, mom.
No. This nigga.
Oh, mom. Oh, nah! Yo, yo! Nah, I'm going to the back. No, chill.